Hey everybody, thank you so much for registering for Metabolic Flexibility After 40, Taming Midlife Metabolism with Food with Dr. Mike T. Nelson. And welcome to the Coach Catalyst app, our VIP sponsor for Dr. Mike's course. Coming up in just a couple of days on Saturday, November 9th. So just want to welcome you to the event. You've already seen some stuff come out, some preparation emails, but we'll be housing all of the same information, if you don't want to check your email, inside this awesome app, which I've been using for a couple of years here in Excel Wellness Studio to provide great nutrition coaching to our clients. So you'll be learning more about that at the event as they're sponsoring it. Today I'm just getting ready for you guys. This box and pile of stuff, you can't see all of it, has all of our welcome letters, stuff for our registration table. I'm putting together swag bags with some cool stuff. We even have, I think it's hidden, we'll have strong coffee in the swag bags and some other really cool giveaways. So make sure you check out all the information. I'm going to ask that you guys come a little bit early. The class is going to start, or the workshop's going to start from 8:30 to 5:30 on Saturday, but you can come as early as 7:30 to check in and chat with Coach Catalyst and some of the other people hanging around, and I will have coffee ready for you. Make sure that you have your handouts with you, either digitally. I recommend bringing them on an iPad, a laptop if you like, or if you want things to write on, make sure you go ahead and print those out. We do not provide printouts for you. It's just a way to keep your registration costs lower and of course to be a little bit more environmentally friendly. So check back in on this app tomorrow. I'll have some more information for you and make sure that you know exactly how to get to the location. I'll see you guys all soon.